Puppy, what day is tomorrow?
Awesome.
Pepe made some gifts for you.
Hey.
Oh, he
I
got you.
them
He
for
got
you.
he got okay. He got you some gifts. Okay. Okay, so here, da da da, da 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 da. You need to start which whatever you want.
The little one.
The little one. Get your fidget spinner.
Fidget spinner. Is this one of your old ones or a new one?
It's a new one.
Cool.
No. Well. Okay, you can start with that one too, but you already know what it is, though. It's a
What?
square. Guess what it is?
Oh no.
It has a little box. Okay, you can open this one. Now you wait on that one. Guess what got on the mail for you?
My watch that I ordered. I got my own gift.
Yay.
When did it get here? Like a month ago?
No, it just got here.
Today?
Yeah.
Ooh, I got my watch.
But wait, Pepe wants to show you his.
Yeah.
Guess what it is? It's square.
Doesn't make much noise.
It's a.
Your very own.
I have no idea.
It's a fidget cube.
A fidget cube.
Pepe's. Well, he's giving it to you, so you're happy with this, with your what is it? Your fidget spinner and your fidget cube.
What the hell? This isn't what I ordered.
What do you mean?
This is not what I ordered. It's like a girl watch. It's tiny. What the hell? This isn't even close to what I ordered.
What do you mean?
What
That was his watch, dude. Yeah, it's his watch. Wrist.
This isn't even what I ordered. All this time and I got some used. Look, it's hella used.
Aw. Well, at least the fidget spinner, the fidget cube's
What
new.
the hell?
Dude, at least the fidget cube is new.
You guys changed the box? You guys put it in a different box or what?
No, we got your fidget cube.
I got you a fidget cube.
This is not even what I ordered. I ordered this awesome watch and I get this girly watch. You guys serious? You guys are messing with me, right? This is my watch in here.
No, it isn't.
He already saw it, dude.
Oh my God! Thank God! Thank you, Lord! Oh my God! I was like, what the hell is this? What the hell? It's like I ordered this amazing watch, which is this one. Thank you very much. Look at that beautiful thing, and I get this. Like what? I was mad. Like, I'm gonna call those mother effers. Oh, look at that watch.